Hi everybody, looks like we have another unit just came in, a Digital Storm. Customer got this for the holidays and the paperwork says that it comes with a video card and there's no video card in here. Having all sorts of problems with this where it comes with a mechanical drive in there, so we're actually going to put an SSD and put a video card that should have been included with the system and get this running properly for the customer. So sad, some of these big companies that just can't do things the right way. And right next to it we have a Cyber Power, and we get these on an average weekly basis also from the holiday purchases, and they come with a generally come with a 580 video card, and they're always burning out already. We've replaced so many. This one's here just got an RTX upgrade right here. Water cooler, look, it has mismatched RAM inside of it. And it's just sad what these manufacturers are doing these days. So both these two are here for some major upgrades and get these things running right. Alright everybody, so I shared with you guys what happened about this tower that they got, that they didn't get what they were supposed to get. Here's an example. Here's the sheet right here from Digital Storm when saying what it came with originally. And as you guys can tell, I had to make changes to put it how it should have been when it came in. So it had no video card inside of it. It was supposed to have a video card. I know there's shortages in the market, but there should have been something rectified about that. We did make some improvements and added an SSD, which it really needed for performance reasons. And now that the benchmarks are incredible now, as you guys saw. And this young gentleman right here, is the one that got this for a Christmas gift, and I feel so bad that he had to make all these changes. I mean, he could share a little bit how he felt about what happened with your tower. How do you feel about it?
So I got on Christmas, came home with it. Couldn't even play like the first 3 nights because my dad had to go buy a cord and run it through the wall just so we can plug in the Wi-Fi. And then we would have to wait another 2 days just to install a game, and on the game I couldn't even play it because I was lagging back and forth.
Yeah, so he's struggling just playing simple games like Minecraft and Roblox, and you've got a couple other games that are on here. So what we did is we put a 1050 Ti video card inside of there, which is more than good enough for the games that he's playing currently and some of the Steam games. We got a 1 terabyte SSD in there, and the system's running incredibly fast and much better. But as you guys saw again on the sheet right here, you can see that it didn't come with what it said it did, and it's so sad. You saw the reviews that I posted up with the Better Business Bureau and how bad a shape they are with the Better Business Bureau. So guys, don't go and buy a Digital Storm tower. From what I've seen here and what I see come in here all the time after Christmas is this horrifying, and you can do so much better looking at other options. So we just want to share this with you guys and share his experience with it now. So we're gonna let him have a little bit of fun and play some fun games on it real quick and let him. Watching our video, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so you can get the latest news, product reviews, custom build towers that we do, how to repair your gadgets that you have at home. And we look forward to you guys, so hit that notification button down there, and don't forget to check out our store at tekkies.store, our website.